time for the group. In the city with a new coupe. Pride like a bragging full of dumb. Yeah, that made me strong. Never gonna stop. Now I'm on top. I'll stay true to myself. Ain't no time for goodbyes. I got tears in my eyes. I won't be tamed. I'm living like a never-ending game. Try to stack up the fame. Run through the veins. Yeah, we gon' boom. We on deck, ain't no lag. While we ain't looking back. All these stacks. Yeah, we living a high life. Ain't feeling no strife. Yeah, we got it in my life. Riding by my side. Leaving these haters behind. You ain't no option at all. And you know what I'm standing up tall. Chasing up the dreams, now we making the cream. Gotta stay by play, I'm hustling all day. In the city with my coupe, never breaking under pressure. Now I'm making the most, nigga, I'm running like a ghost. Gotta watch me elevate, I'm in my own lane. Haters done talking, but y'all can't touch me, I gotta keep up with my pace. I'm on a different wave, glory in my veins. Always trying to find my way. Y'all niggas can't count me out, no time for the doubt. Yeah, I manifest, I got no time for the rest. Yeah, that's right, I spied into existence. No rest in sight, I gotta stay on my grind. I got no fakes around me, y'all know what I'm about. Yeah, ain't lasting as strong, you know I'm too strong. No doubt, ain't no time to pout. I ain't running up, stacking to the riches, I ain't got no time for doubt. Never getting exhausted, this is all I ever wanted. Even these haters behind, yeah, I learned how to grind. I need the flaws, I'm learning like a boss. I never back down, I reach for the sky. Never run them fake vibes, I ain't settle for less. I ain't got breaks or rest. Chasing the bag, yeah, I made it my way. Hustle all day, out north of the game. Got wings to pursue, I did it for me and my crew. Making these moves, stacking the big dreams, you know what I mean. Living flowing like a machine. I seen these highs and these lows, your haters gotta admit, it hits you like a brick.